Hi there, how are you doing today? This video will try to understand what is insert all statement in Oracle database. So let me give you a little background. What is insert all? Insert all is a statement that is a specific feature provided by Oracle database, and usually this feature will be used when we want to select the data from a source table and then insert into multiple target tables at a time. So for example, let's say that we have a customers table and where we have the country name, and let's say that we have people across the globe, and each country data, like each country people have to be processed into the respective countries table. Then we can use the insert all statement. So in this case, I have my customers table. If I quickly query this, I have different customers and different countries, like we have Poland, India, Russia, USA, and UK. And I also have 5 different tables which will be used as target in my case. So any customer whose country is India will be inserted into India table. Any customer whose country is UK will go to UK table. Similarly for USA, Russia, and any customer who doesn't belong to one of these 4 countries, they all will be loaded into others, right? Customers underscore others. So, this is how the syntax looks like when we want to insert the data for all, into multiple target tables at a time. So what we do usually when we want to insert the data into a table, the syntax will be like insert into. However, here we can see that insert all. It starts with insert all, and then when country equal to India, then we are saying. So first when condition comes, then the table name comes here, right? When country name equal to India, then into customers, right? So technically like insert to customers India. In the meantime, I am saying that when country equal to India, then into customers underscore India. And here I'm specifying the columns for what and all columns we want to insert the data and what are the columns that I'm getting the data from source. So here explicitly I have excluded not to insert the data into customer name just for testing purpose. And for all other countries, I have given. And here if you see, the last when condition, I said that when country not in USA, UK, Russia, and India. So this is nothing but like when others, right? When others, then insert into customers underscore others. However, because there is no such kind of condition called when others, so we said that when customer country not in USA, UK, Russia, and India, then all such kind of customers data should go to customers underscore others. So till here, we are only specifying how the data has to be inserted, what conditions needs to be evaluated. However, we have another statement that is like, select statement. This is where we are selecting the data from source table. So if I quickly run this now, we can see that number of rows that are updated are affected are 6 rows. That means that all 6 rows have been inserted into 5 different target tables. Let's quickly query this table, right? So first thing, we'll query the India, which should have 2 people data, and then we have UK. So Jeremy, we have customers here. USA is like John, and then RSA is Vladimir, and then others is like Con, right? So this is how the data gets inserted. So what is the benefit of using insert all? Think of this way, right? If we want to really go with the regular insert statement, so what we'll do is like insert into customers underscore India, and then we'll do select star from customers where country equal to India. So if the same data has to be inserted now into 5 different tables, 5 times we have to scan the customers table, which is going to be costly operation. Imagine that you have a 100 million rows table and you want to do the same thing. Then like 5 times you have to scan all 100 million rows, and then each time probably like 20 million, 10 million, whatever it is, the number of rows you are going to insert into the target table, which is a repetitive task. It generates lots of IO and it takes lots of resources. It's like multiple jobs. Instead, if we use insert all, we can scan the source table only once, and as and when a row gets retrieved, then immediately we can go ahead and validate the condition, start inserting the data into the respective target tables. So what is the disadvantage with this, right? The only disadvantage with this would be, I would say, um, if there is a bad record that doesn't fit into the target table structure for any reason, then all the rows will be impacted, all the rows will be rolled back. In case if you are inserting the data into individual tables, part of individual insert statements, then you have the frequency to commit however you want. Even if, let's say that like we have processed India, USA, UK, and then while processing into Russia table, even if it fails, then we can try to reprocess the data only for Russian customers. However, when we use insert all statement, in case even if Russia table has the data issue, then all other inserts are always also going to be rolled back. That is one of the disadvantage. Otherwise, there is no issue. We can always use insert all. That's all for this video, and have a good day. Bye bye.